Okay, hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use this app called the Six Rider app. Okay, so if you are first time watching this video and you are going to download this app, okay, you can apply the promo code OVD1U4, okay, under this video description. You can get the promo code OVD1U4. okay. So basically, the promo code will give you $5 off for your first ride and a subsequent 5% discount. Okay, so what you can do once you have downloaded this app, okay, just go ahead and choose your pickup location. Okay, for example, I have set Ang Mo Kio Hub as my home, so I just go ahead and choose the pickup location, okay, which is my home. Okay, so alternatively, if let's say you are at somewhere else, you can just key in your pickup location, or if you are requesting ride for somebody, you can also key in the pickup location of that somebody. Okay, so after that, you enter your drop-off location. Okay, so for example, I'm going to MBS Casino. Okay, and I verified that this is my drop-off location. Okay, you can see the black color flag. Okay, so once you verify, you can go ahead and choose your type of vehicle. Okay, so they have standard 6-seater, premium, 6-seater luxury, or taxi. Okay, so for example, in this case, you have 4 passengers or less, so you can just go ahead and choose select standard. Okay, so once you have choose select standard, it will brings you to the next page, which is known as confirm booking. Okay, so you confirm that you request for a standard car, your pickup location is Ang Mo Kio Hub, and your drop-off location is at Marina Bay Sands Casino. Okay, payment mode, okay, they only accept credit card, so you just verify the last 4 digits of your credit card. Okay, so if you have applied the promo code I've given you, OVD1U4, okay, you can just go ahead and copy under this video description. Okay, and then once you have applied, you'll be eligible for one-time $5 off. Okay, so once you apply it, okay, the fare, instead of 16.27, you just need to pay 11.27. Okay, so underneath there are 2 tabs. Okay, so if you require this booking now, you can just go ahead and tap book now. Else, if let's say you need the car for tomorrow, okay, so right now this video is recorded on 3rd of October. Okay, today is 3rd of October, so let's say I'm requesting it for tomorrow, so I just go ahead and choose 4th of October. Okay, so if let's say you require the car to come and pick you up at, let's say, 1 p.m, okay, you just go ahead and select 1 p.m. Say, okay, so once everything is ready, you just go ahead and select time, then they will request driver for you. Okay, so if you key in the wrong time, you can just go ahead and click cancel. Okay, so basically this is all what I want to show you for this video. Okay, if you have any question, just go ahead and comment. If not, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching and listening. This is Yori White from YoriWhite.com.